Are you looking for a place to stay in Sagada? Yung maganda yung ambience, very relaxing, peaceful, not crowded, Instagrammable ang view with spacious parking and bonfire pits na perfect for your family bonding or with your friends, accommodating stops, and of course, yung budget-friendly? Well, definitely this video is for you. Hi mga kagala, Mrs. P here and welcome to our vlog. For those who are only new in our channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the notification bell below. So for today's video, we're going to show you Chalea Cottages, the new staycation that can be found in Sagada Mountain Province, a hidden gem in Sagada that I highly recommended that you must visit. Hi guys! Nandito na nga kami ngayon sa Chalea Cottages. Time check, 6 p.m. Grabe, sobrang laki ng place at ang ganda. Ito nga agad yung bumungad sa akin, the reception and lobby area. O diba, mapapawaw ka na lang talaga at worth it ang long ride namin. Upon arrival, the first thing I did was log in their logbook. Super late notice na yung pagbook ko sa kanila. It was like 2 days before the check-in date. Very responsive naman yung page nila kahit late night ako nag-inquire. New staycation lang din to kaya buti na lang din available pa yung gusto kong room. Lalo na pa long holidays pa nun. It was last November when we went here. Pa All Souls Day pa nun. So, story time. Nag-rides lang kami ni husband going here. Lakas ng trip, diba? This was our first long ride that took us 11 hours going to Sagada. Take note 11 hours nang nakamotor pero we enjoyed it. Tamang chill lang, ride lang, takbong may asawa, ganun. So this is our room. I booked the room 4 which has 1 queen size bed with balcony for only 1,600 pesos per night. Wow. Later on, I will show you the room rates. I can see na super worth it naman yung room nila kasi malaki yung room, maayos, at most important kasi sa akin yung malinis. Syempre, especially their bathroom kasi medyo maarte tayo sa part na yun. And then let's go to their balcony. This was the balcony of our room. Very nice din. Nakakatuwa lang at nakaka-amaze kasi lahat ng nakikita ko were all made up of woods. Not just an ordinary woods ha. Their bed sheets and towels were all perfectly fine for me. Alam kong malinis kasi hindi ako nangate. Medyo sensitive kasi yung skin ko, mabilis na ma-irritate pag alam ko may something sa bed. Kaya lagi kong dala yung travel roller ko to make sure na walang hair or anything na may irritate lang yung skin ko. Arte, diba? Sorry na. Ramdaman na nga namin yung pagod at buti na lang din at pwede magpaluto sa kanila. Mura lang din ang food dito at paluto sa kanila kaya no need to worry, although pwede din naman magdala ng food or beers kung gusto nyo mag-inom dito. So dito kami laging tumatambay nun sa baba. Wow. Aside from their climate na super lamig, nakaka-relax din talaga yung ganda ng place. Amazing. At yun na nga yung motor namin, tamang rest muna siya dyan. So this was our first morning here in Sagada. We were told na masarap maglakad-lakad ng early morning sa baba nila. But then, 10 a.m. na kasi kami nagising. Pero ang ganda talaga ng place. Perfect for nature lover like us. Ang ganda din ng interior and exterior design nila. It was all designed by the owner. Wow! Ayan na nga at fully recharged na ang asawa ko. So, pababa na muna kami para mag-coffee. Free and unlimited ang coffee nila dito unlike sa iba na may charge. Pogi! Sige na! O diba, ang taas ng energy niya? Tinuturo nga niya yung motor namin na binalutan daw dahil may nagpipintura. Anyway, balik tayo sa coffee. Same lang naman lahat ng coffee nila dito sa Sagada. I assure you, the best ang coffee nila. Napa-hoard nga ako agad ng 3 packs nung pauwi na kami. Sobrang accommodating din ng staff nila dito. Very respectful at marunong makijive lalo na sa kakulitan ng husband ko.
Pwede ba kami mag-coffee?
Sige po, free po. O diba, binigyan na nga siya ng free coffee. Naghahanap pa ng pandesal. So, andito na nga tayo ngayon sa kanilang dining area. Ito actually yung view natin sa balcony. Pagpasok mo pa lang dito, you will be amazed on their different handcrafts and how this hut was built with such beautiful stones and woods. Wow! O diba, sobrang ganda. Mapapawaw ka na lang talaga sa structure ng place na to. Amazing. Sobrang laki, hanggang dulo yan actually. At yung nasa gilid naman, nandun yung only coffee. And they also have their utensils na anytime pwede mo namang hiramin. May mineral water din dyan. After naming mag-coffee, lumabas na nga kami. Now, here's the view outside at daytime. Wow. Since new lang yung place, may part na hindi pa tapos yung construction nung pumunta kami. And that part will be their events place as for the owner. In here, there's spacious parking. O diba, sobrang luwag. And sa dulo naman, that's the house where the owner stays. Sobrang ganda talaga dito. Kaya highly recommended ko to sa mga magpupunta ng Sagada. At hindi pa crowded. Oh, sobrang energetic naman yan. Pogi! Sige na! O diba, hindi masyadong obvious na nag-e-enjoy yung asawa ko dito sa Chalea Cottages. At sa pagharap ko nga, grabe, ito na lang talaga nasabi namin. Wow, ang ganda dito. Picture tayo dito. Ala, yung tripod, nasa taas.
Kunin ka?
Sige. Thank you kay husband na very supportive naman at alam niya na yung gagawin niya, di ba? Grabe, sobrang Instagrammable nitong view na to, nitong place na to.
Wow.
Like, seriously, you must visit Chalea, everyone. If you are planning to go in Sagada, you must stay here. Sobrang ganda, marerelax ka talaga, yung feeling na ayaw mo nang bumalik ng Manila. Andito nga yung ibang cottages nila. Depends on the rooms that you will book. O diba yung ganitong ambience plus malamig na weather, mapapa-extend ka talaga, promise.
Amazing.
We actually booked for 3 days, 2 nights, but ended up having an extension to 6 days, 5 nights. So ganun namin nagustuhan yung place. And of course, the Sagada itself. Parang ayaw mo nang umalis, ayaw mo nang umuwi. Lahat ng food na natikman namin dito, ang sarap din. Like walang tapon, ganun. So, sobrang laki pa talaga ng property nila hanggang baba pa to, guys. For sure, may-enjoy nyo rin yung stay nyo dito sa Chalea Cottages. Siguro, ang isang concern ko lang, dito, nung nagpunta kami, is wala pa silang wifi. So, medyo nahirapan kami kasi syempre mahirap yung data lang. May part kasi na mahina yung signal. So, lagi kami nandun sa area kung saan kami nakatambay sa labas. May signal sa room pero medyo mahina. Pero nang in-inquire ko naman yun sa kanila, on process pa daw yung internet nila. So, okay lang naman at understandable naman kasi bago lang nga yung staycation na yun. Nag-enjoy naman kami dun sa place kahit na mahina yung data namin. So, okay lang din. Hopefully, by this time, baka sakaling may internet na din sila since November 2023 pa naman kami huling nagpunta doon. So, ayan na nga, more pictures and videos na kami ni husband dito. At hindi nga niya alam dyan na naka-video yan. Akala niya picture lang yung jump shot niya. Pagod na raw siya pero pose pa din, 'di ba? So, dahil nga na-enjoy namin yung stay namin dito, napa-extend nga kami to 6 days and 5 nights. So, ito na yung bago naming room, which is the room 3. May nakabook na raw kasi dun sa room namin, so kailangan namin malipat dito. So, itong room 3 is a family room, good for 6 packs. Ito na lang kasi yung available na room nung nandun kami. So, this family room costs 4,800.
Wow.
Pero since dalawa lang nga kami, yung binayaran naman namin is good for couple lang din. Thankful naman kami na pumayag sila na for couple lang yung ibabayad namin for that room. So, ito na nga yung terrace ng new room namin. Since family room nga ito at good for 6 packs, mas malaki siya kaysa dun sa couple room namin. But same lang din naman ng comfort room and may table then and 2 chairs. Next, our fave spot here in Chalea, their bonfire pit. Sobrang nakaka-relax kasi dito. Aside from not being crowded, this is a plus pag dito kayo nagstay sa Chalea since almost lahat ng staycation dito sa Sagada wala namang bonfire pit. Meron lang silang sariling camping site kung saan pwede kang mag-tent at bonfire. Okay din ito for family bonding or with your friends kasi sobrang laki ng bonfire pit nila. For the location of Chalea, bago siya magbayan, so hindi din siya ganun kalayo sa pinaka-sentro nila.
Wow.
So ayan, sobrang na-enjoy na nga namin ni husband yung moment namin that night. Yes! Sa mga staffs nila, sobrang na-appreciate din namin on how they check on us and on how they respond pag may kailangan kami. Sobrang maasikaso talaga sila lahat. Big thanks kay Ate Mabet na receptionist nila, kay Marie na laging on the go pag may needs kami. Also, kay isa pang ate, sorry nakalimutan ko yung name niya, at kay kuya na laging nagpre-prepare ng food namin. And of course, to the owner, thank you po Tita Nelly and Tito for the warm welcome. It was really a wonderful stay for a week in Chalea. We will surely come back. So here is their room rates and also their Facebook page. Alright guys, so again for those who are only new in our channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the notification bell below. Thank you so much for watching guys and see you on our next vlog!